It's okay. It's okay. You all right? It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's all right. It's okay.
It's afraid.
Yeah.
Come on, baby. Use your jacket. It's not gonna.
His beak is strong, and
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. And look at his paws.
It's all right. It's okay.
Yeah, like that. Be careful.
Yeah.
Get his head.
It's all right.
I mean his wings.
Yeah, that's what I want to try to do. I want to try to get from behind him.
Yeah.
Move a little bit closer to him so he starts to face you a little bit.
I'm here. I'm here. Hey, watch me. Watch me. There you go. There you go. Oh my God, you got it. You got him.
It's okay.
You got him.
It's okay. It's okay. It's all right. It's all right. It's okay.
Strong, huh?
All right.
Look at the way he grabs.
Yeah. All right.
You want to help you somehow?
I think I know how to do this. I just gotta hold everything in close. It's okay. It's all right. Okay. All right. Let's. I think he belongs in that one over there.
Yeah. Are you
You can stop rolling.
Yeah. Okay.
Morning, little one. Let go. There you go. There you go. It's okay. Hi. Hi, beautiful. You're almost there. Hold on just a second. In you go. In you go. Okay. Stay there. Stay there. It's okay. It's okay. Perfect. I'm so stoked right now. Hi, you did great. Okay, see you later. So stoked about that. Okay. That was great. That juvenile owl was picked up where that white truck is about to turn, way down there. And I think
the owl nesting box that it belongs to is clear over there, which is on a kind of a windy hill, and I think it needs to be relocated after the babies are able to fly. But this one demonstrated flight earlier, so I know it's not injured. And this other owl box over here has got 3 owlets in it, and that basket was positioned underneath to catch any of the owlets that might come out, because obviously that opening's too low. But yeah, the plan is that owl box will come down when it's empty, and there is its replacement. In the meantime, that's going to be the orphan box, I guess. All right.